Between soccer practice, baseball practice with the kids, and getting away from it all for a good hike, I spent a lot of time outdoors. Don't get me wrong, I love being outside, and I always wear protection, but what else can I add to it that'll help maintain the health of my skin?
Over time, even moderate ultraviolet exposure takes its toll on our skin health, and that's exactly why we developed ShadeFact. By supporting the body's natural immune response against the age-related effects of ultraviolet exposure, it promotes healthy skin before, during, and after being outside.
When I heard about Shade Factor, I had so many questions. So I called a life extension wellness specialist and they explained it all.
ShadeFactor uses an innovative blend of ingredients that supports the body's natural immune response to UV exposure. It helps boost cellular energy, promote healthy DNA functions, and safeguard your skin from the inside out.
What I really like about Life Extension is that they develop their products based on the latest scientific research. It's why I trust them to help me stay healthy from the inside out.